What a beautiful day in Toontasket World. What should I do here? I'm going to play with my friends. Oh look, a caracola. It's a bird. Tweet, tweet. Ah! Get off of me! Get off of me! Help! Ah! Get off of me! Get off of me! Help! Oh, squawk, squawk. Hey, that's my shirt! Give it back, you stupid bird! Hey, that's my shirt! Oh no, my shirt is ripped! I gotta get Mom! Mom! Hey, Billy, what happened here? My shirt got ripped by a bird. Look! Oh no! What was the bird called? The bird is called a caracola. Don't worry, Billy. We'll buy you a new shirt. We'll have to throw this shirt into the trash and buy a new one. Okay.